Just a super quick one showing you how to use the colour palette plugin that I've made. Open up Adobe Illustrator, and window, and you're going to find swatches. Here you go. And you're going to come down here to the bottom left, and you're going to go to Other Library at the bottom. And then you're going to go to navigate to where you saved them, and you're going to find this Freetone ASE, and that's the file I made, and you press OK, and there it is. It's all going to come in here, and here are all the colours. If you hover over them, you can see Sample Tone Yellow C, there's your Pinkest Pink, Tiff, Black, and then some of these you might recognise, 5665C or 180C or 447C. I think you get the idea, and they're called Freetone, and they're all there. If you want to add them to your basic swatch palette, feel free to just drag the whole lot over there. It will take a minute, and then you've got them. Let's ping over to Photoshop and show you how it works over there. So yeah, open Photoshop, make a new file. Here you go, and you see on the side here you've got colour, or at least I do. You might not have this set up, but you can get to colour down here as well in the window if you don't have it here, so it's up to you which way you go. But colour, and then if you go to swatches, you can go here and you can import swatches. Then you're just going to navigate to wherever you saved that Freetone ASE file that I made you, and you'll find it adds it at the bottom. And if you pull this down, there you have it, all the colours you'd expect. And if you double click on them, it will tell you what they are. So that one's Violet 0631C, which is probably a name you remember if you've done this sort of thing before. And if you go on this one, for example, well, that's the Pinkest Pink. And that one is an incredibly cleanish blue. So I think that gives you the idea, and that's how you'll use them in your work. So hopefully that's really useful, and we've got around the problem. And Adobe, Pantone, shame on you. What are you doing? Come on. Us creators, us artists, we pay your bills. You can't treat us like that. Okay? Enjoy the colours and make amazing things. I want to know what you do with it. Love you all so much. There's thousands of colours there. I've opened them all up. They're all there. Use them. Have fun. I love you all very much. Bye.